Hello, all you heroes and sheroes. Hope you're enjoying a blessed day. Welcome to Black Mountain, North Carolina, a charming town known for its breathtaking landscapes and historic charm. Nestled in the scenic Blue Ridge Mountains, Black Mountain is a place where natural beauty meets rich culture, making it a favorite destination for travelers. Alongside its beauty, Black Mountain is also famous for its steep and winding roads. These mountain passes can pose challenges, especially for larger vehicles descending at high speeds. To enhance road safety, Black Mountain has 3 strategically placed runaway safety ramps, designed to protect drivers and vehicles alike. The first runaway ramp is located on Interstate 40, for eastbound traffic heading down from higher elevations. This ramp is equipped with deep gravel, specifically engineered to slow down any vehicle that might lose control due to brake failure or other issues. The design helps ensure that drivers have a safe place to stop in emergencies. Further along the descent, 2 additional runaway ramps offer further protection. These ramps are strategically placed based on elevation and the average speed of descending traffic. With these added safety measures, truck drivers and other motorists can navigate Black Mountain's descent with greater peace of mind. With these safety features in place, Black Mountain remains a safe and welcoming destination for all who travel through. So the next time you visit, take in the mountain views, explore the town, and drive with confidence, knowing that road safety is a top priority here in Black Mountain. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Black Mountain, North Carolina, a place where natural beauty and safe travel go hand in hand. Please like and subscribe. Have you had any issues on this mountain? Comment below. See you on the mountain. Catch you another way, another day.